Alright, so still at Camp 2, just looking down the valley from where we came from Camp 1. The plan is to head back down there tomorrow to go grab our crampons, which we left in a cache 1,500 feet down. You can actually see there's two guys coming up right now. Oh, no, maybe they're not coming up, maybe they're going down. Looks like maybe they're going down. Maybe somebody got sick, I'm not really sure. It's supposed to be a couple good days of weather tomorrow and the next day. Tomorrow's going to be clear with 5 km/h winds, and the day after is going to be snowy with 5 km/h winds. So we're hoping that tomorrow, if we get our crampons, we can do the traverse route and get that done with, and then think about maybe doing the Polish to Tagatog again. But the weather's just not really holding out well, and the glacier's not in good condition. So it's really pretty up here. It's amazing being on top of everything, so far above everything. These glaciers over here are really pretty too. The pyramid on the right looks pretty awesome. So, yep, camp's up here.